In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your Usman IELTS trainer. Additionally, been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, my today's lecture will be about IELTS writing task 2. You know, it's an essay, and in an essay there are three parts, conventionally speaking, and those are introduction, body, and conclusion. We are least concerned about introduction and conclusion today. We'll be talking more about body paragraph today, and that's the topic of our main concern today rather. So let's get started and start talking about how to write really an effective body paragraph. That's the main concern of ours today. You know that the body paragraphs are obviously very important, and this is where you'll gain most of your points in the marking, undoubtedly. So they need much more concentration and much more planning, as a matter of fact. So I'll be telling you about the constituent elements of writing an effective body paragraph today, so stay connected. In this lesson, I want to draw your attention to what is needed to write a good body paragraph. You know, there are different types of essays, and there are 5 very well renowned types of essays. And in all those types of essays for IELTS writing task 2, actually the structure is a little bit different. But as a matter of fact, for writing your body paragraph, it's almost the same. So they have similar kind of paragraphing, so there is no need to worry about it. Conventionally, you know that there are 2 body paragraphs in an essay, but in discussion opinion essay, there would be 3 paragraphs, 1 or 2 paragraphs, body paragraphs I'm talking about. 1 or 2 paragraphs would be about your opinion of different sides, and you know the third paragraph will be about your particularly personal opinion. So the question would be like this: discuss both views and give your own opinion. It can also use 3 main body paragraphs to discuss the views and 1 to give your opinion. So there will be 3 body paragraphs altogether in this specific kind of question type. There should not be more than 5 paragraphs in a conventional IELTS writing task 2. The one and the last would be introduction and conclusion, and 3 body paragraphs. But generally, we tend to have 4 body paragraphs. There is no need for the 5th one. It is exclusively needed when you have got to give your personal opinion as well, and you do it in writing the 3rd body paragraph. Okay, now there are lots of people are, you know, they get obsessed with writing the structure. They keep asking me, sir, how to write down the structure of the essay. So it's important not to be too much obsessed with the structure, as there are many ways to structure an IELTS essay. So you can write down in any type, in any kind. You can have your own personal strategy of structuring the essay. But what is more important besides the structure is you should use clear paragraphs. 1. Number 2, skip a line between them. And number 3, there should be no more than 5 paragraphs in an essay. So these 3 things are extremely important while structuring an essay. Number 1, I will just revise them. Use clear paragraphs. 2, skip a line between them. And 3, there should be no more than 5 paragraphs in an IELTS essay. In all the body paragraphs, actually, they follow the similar structures for most essays. Let me tell you those few things which are extremely important for writing all kinds of body paragraphs. Number one is topic sentence. At the start of the body paragraph, there should always be a topic sentence which is suggestive of your understanding the topic, and what you will be talking about in the rest of your body paragraph will be depending on your topic sentence. So topic sentence is important to begin with the body paragraph, and then supporting sentences. Few sentences, 3, 4, 5 sentences, they should all be supporting your topic sentence. And number 3, there should be extension of your topic sentence, in other words. And then you should also express your specific example. So these 3 are extremely important components of writing an effective paragraph. But sometimes you can also express your opinion when it is needed. When the question asks you to express one, then you can talk about your opinion. Otherwise, topic sentence, supporting sentences, and specific example. So these are extremely important constituent elements of writing an effective body paragraph. Now, your body paragraph should be having a reflection of the thesis statement which you have written in your introduction, in the introduction of your essay, as a matter of fact. So the ideas you put forward and the opinions you give in the body paragraph must reflect what you wrote in your thesis statement. And don't just repeat thesis statement, expand on it and explain, giving specific examples. Now, another question is, how many themes we can discuss in one body paragraph? There should be one topic sentence and one central theme in that body paragraph. There should not be a variety of opinions or variety of descriptions. Don't list different ideas and rather go off topic. You will be penalized by the examiner heavily. Only you need in the body paragraph is one central idea per paragraph, and support that idea and give specific example, state the further reasons why you agree or disagree. If the task asks you for your opinion, then you got to express your opinion. Now, IELTS essay is different from university formal academic essay in many ways. You have to give citations, references, or accurate data, or maybe you have to write on few pages for your academic formal university essay. Whereas in IELTS essay, you are not expected to do all that stuff. Do not have the time either for doing all that stuff. It's a limited time. You got to plan your essay. You got to write it down effectively and comprehensively as well, and gotta just see the checklist whether you have written all those things what's supposed to be written, and see what are the grammatical faults or vocabulary problems. So you gotta see all that stuff. In this way, this essay of IELTS will be different from a university essay, because there is no marking for general knowledge or citations. Rather, your general ability on proficiency of English language will be tested in IELTS writing task 2. So far as the examples are concerned, do not have to be real, but they must look plausible. Means they must seem reasonable, probable, and acceptable. My dear friends, that was the lesson of ours today, which I gave you very comprehensively, and I expect that you would have also made points, keep on making notes of all those lectures which I deliver online, so that when you are appearing for the examination, you must have in front of you all that stuff, and you can fall back upon these points in key tips and techniques. I'll see you in another uploaded video, published next time, very shortly, really. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.